Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a buff Shadow the Hedgehog. Another fun lesson that I was requested to do. So yeah, really easy things. I would say it's a very easy lesson, and yeah, we're going to jump into it, okay? If you love the Sonic universe, you will love to draw this, okay? Sorry, I'm tripping over my own words here. Otherwise, let's kind of hop into the lesson right now. All right, let's get started here on Shadow, on Buff Shadow. All right, let's do it. So first thing I do here is I'm gonna draw a curved line for the front of the mouth. Curve over here, where it's gonna be kind of where the nose is gonna go. Pull back, curve. Line over here, because Shadow's making like a mer face. Out for the nose, curve down. Out over here, curve up for that nose right there. Right on. Close it off here. Line down. Right here for the kind of furrowing of the eye. Up for the gravestone shape, down. And a line over here and down. Coming for, he's got those wing tips right there. Down over here, up. And then curve over here. Over here, down. Curve. Circle here. And circle there for the highlight and dot in the center. Gonna go over here, draw a line above, and a line over here for the brows. And then along that brow, I'm gonna go over here, out, down for the ear, then finding that inside of that ear. Curve for that top spike, down. So top spike is pretty similar to Sonic's, okay? Gonna go over here, find the far side ear, it's just a triangle. And now I'm gonna go over here, pull spike out, and this one's gonna go up, down, in. Out, up, down, in here, back to his head. Okay. Gonna draw a thinner line here for the pattern at the top of that spike. Thinner line here for the pattern at the top of that spike. Over here, down, up. Line up over here. Curve up right here for the furry chest. Line down. Line down. Now we're gonna draw the, kind of muscular body kind of thing, because this is Buff Shadow. Curve over here for the chest area, for the pectoralis, curve down. Pulling in here, up. We go on this side, up, over here. Line, line. Out, down for the shoulder. Out over here. Down for the other shoulder. Line over here for the deltoid. Over here, the rib cage. Downward, in, down. Curve up. Out over here, down. Line. Out, down. Over here, down. Curve, down. Right on. Let's find the far side, the far bicep, curve. Let's go over here on this side, out, down. Line here. down, down for the arms. And so then we want to look at like shadow and see if there's any sort of pattern. There really isn't, to be honest. He's kind of just, you know, that's pretty much him. Oh, curve right here for the rib cage, down, line across, line across. And there you go. That is Buff Shadow. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Let me know what you think. Hit the share button and subscribe and click that bell notification, all right? Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more.